Now for this month's tech tip, we're going to talk about Athearn factory installed Tsunami 2. Now the biggest misunderstanding of Tsunami 2 that are factory installed in the Athearn is that there's some sort of cheaper version, or they're pared down, or they don't have all the features, and that's just inherently false. These are full-featured Tsunami 2s. The only differences between a factory installed Tsunami 2 and an aftermarket Tsunami 2 are a couple of small things. Number one is Athearn has gone through and chosen default CV values and effects based on their choices and the model that it's installed. And so with that, you're going to find some CV defaults that are different than what you would get in the aftermarket. The other difference is this going to be sound selection. For example, in this particular model that you're going to see in an SD60E, this comes with a 710 prime mover. So in our prime mover choices, you're actually going to get multiple 710 prime mover choices to choose from, rather than loading it with a full complement of prime movers that would never be heard inside this locomotive. The other one is they've eliminated a couple of the horns as well. For example, there's a couple of car horns and a Auga horn that they've taken off. They've also eliminated the O Canada horn. So there is some minor changes, but essentially all of the features that we've talked about in the past, the dynamic digital exhaust, the F11 braking, and all of that is still in these factory installed Tsunami 2s. So be sure to check that out. If you get these decoders,